Good evening. My name is Darcey Addo. Florida Administrative Code says that each school district has to set rules that establish purchasing rules, and that their rules have to follow at least the 15 rules that are somewhat exhaustive. One of the 15 rules in the Florida Administrative Code says that there are certain things that are exempted from competitive solicitation. People who know me know that I balance our family's budget on 2 teacher salaries, so I have a really hard time understanding why anybody would ever want to buy something without trying to get the best price. I shop with coupons, I put weekly circulars. It just makes sense to me that you would try to get the best price for something before you buy it. So it brings me to like a basic truth that I operate on is that just because you can do something doesn't mean that you should. And in this case, just because something is legal doesn't mean that it's fiscally responsible. So, for example, on tonight's agenda, there's an item G47, and I was looking at the A attachment. It looks to purchase 2,325 handwriting charts, charts that go on the top of the blackboards, at a cost of a little over $33,000. And I thought that was sort of interesting because I spend a lot of time in parent-teacher stores, so I just kind of was doing a little bit of math. It's also interesting that it's almost $2,000 in shipping fees. I never pay shipping for anything, so it's just kind of interesting. And the contract says that Brevard Public Schools hasn't paid for these since 1988. Now, I've been in our public schools since 2002, and I thought, I can't really be suggesting that those handwriting charts are the same handwriting charts that are in there since 1988. So I thought, I wonder if we did like a needs analysis and actually checked with our schools to see, do we need 2,325 of these, or are we just buying them? So I just wanted to kind of bring that up for discussion. I thought maybe schools had used school improvement funds or box top money or had other creative solutions to replace these, and I truly couldn't imagine why we would replace all of them assuming that we needed them. So first, because that cost seemed really high, I got on the Google and did a little Google search. And I found that this purchase order is for the full retail cost, $13.47, which is the full retail cost from Pearson. And again, frugal, I don't pay full retail cost for anything, so I can't figure that out. And then I found similar products, different brand, but similar products, ranging anywhere from $7.99 to $10.29. So again, doesn't make sense to me. And then I called a local retailer who sells the almost identical product for $6.99, no shipping cost. And because it was such a bulk order, that local retailer said that there would, of course, be a discount. So my request is, my ask is, just if we could consider the idea of putting in a policy that is more fiscally responsible and
Thank you. Time is up.
Requires competitive bidding. Thanks.